With energy costs steadily on the rise, utility providers are seeking solutions for more sustainable development. Unfortunately, rapid industrialization puts increased pressure on our existing infrastructure, leading to shortfalls and inefficiencies in the grid, increasing the cost of producing power. This cost burden is then shifted from the utility providers to consumers in an effort to keep the grid stable. To combat this problem, the power industry has responded by installing smart meters, switching over to renewable energy sources, and promoting energy efficiency. While these ideas have been helpful and have benefited both utility providers and consumers alike, there is a better way. V-Drive Technologies has spent nearly a decade refining our breakthrough technology, the V-Drive ESD, in an effort to provide utility companies with a solution to create a cost-effective, eco-friendly, and reliable grid capable of accommodating both present and future energy demands, both here and around the world. So, how does it work? The V-Drive ESD stores energy using a new form of flywheel technology. Our unique design allows us to maintain energy storage levels without suffering enormous losses, a serious problem that other flywheel storage technologies have struggled with. In addition, our design enables the construction of large devices, allowing for greater storage levels. This is important because a flywheel energy storage system increases the amount of energy it can store based on the speed and size of the device, using what is known as an exponential power law. For every doubling of the velocity, our device is able to increase storage by a factor of 4. This is different from chemical-based battery systems, which use a linear model to increase storage levels. When a battery is 10 times larger, it only stores 10 times more energy. But when a V-Drive ESD is 10 times larger and can spin 10 times faster, it can store an exponentially greater deal of power. This is important, as governments and utility companies are seeking common sense solutions for achieving new mandates for energy storage levels, specifically targeted at enabling the use of zero carbon footprint renewable wind and solar projects. Even better, the V-Drive ESD is non-toxic, doesn't degrade like chemical batteries, and can be operated for decades without needing to be replaced. But the V-Drive ESD is about more than just energy storage. Our technology is about changing the grid from the inside out. You see, our grid is dynamic, meaning that demand for power is in a state of continuous change. Unfortunately, the equipment in our grid is unable to respond to those changes quickly enough, leading to constant torque corrections during the course of power operations. The easiest way to understand this is to relate it to driving a car. When driving through town, a car is forced to constantly accelerate and decelerate, starting and stopping, operating at high RPMs in low gears, leading to very poor gas mileage. This is how the grid currently works. When a car is driving on the highway, there's no sudden starting and stopping. The car stays at a constant rate of speed, operating at low RPMs in high gears, leading to very high gas mileage. And not only does the car increase overall gas mileage, but the wear and tear experienced by the vehicle is reduced. This is the grid envisioned by V-Drive Technologies. By adopting the V-Drive ESD, utility providers can reduce power plant carbon dioxide emissions by 50%, increase total delivered energy to the end user by up to 50%, maximize the use of existing grid generation capacity, increase the viability of renewable energy installations, reduce the capital investment needed for new power generating plants, and reduce stress on existing power generation facilities. V-Drive Technologies, the future of energy storage.